So how would you say, let's drink together? When you invite someone to drink, you don't just say, let's have a drink. You can, but there's a way of saying it where we add together in front. So together, drink cola ba. If you want to say to someone, let's drink together, like make a suggestion, you would say this. 一起喝可乐吧. 一起喝可乐吧. So again, make sure you're hitting all those tones. 一起喝可乐吧. So it's just a suggestion saying, let's drink cola. And what makes it a suggestion is this little ba at the end. So make sure that you're not saying ba, you're saying ba. It's the A that we talked about before, the cat A. So you use this, you put it at the end of something and it makes it into a suggestion. So you can use it in the example of say, let's drink cola together. 一起喝可乐吧. Right, that ba, it makes it into a suggestion. But you can also do it when you're sort of not 100% sure about an answer. So you're just trying to sort of, maybe this? If someone says 几个 and you're not really sure, maybe you're too drunk, right? And you're trying to say maybe 7, like you sort of like 7, you might say 七个吧. 七个吧.